When I turn the engine to make the piston go up and down, I don't see any excess oil on the walls. So that tells me that the rings are still okay. And if you look at the head gasket, it's come apart in several pieces. Normally when I've taken off these gaskets in the past, they come off in one piece and they can actually be reused. So it looks like we might just have a blown gasket here, because where the push rods are for the valves, the oil that's in there can actually leak into the cylinder through the broken head gasket, and that will make the motor smoke. I have to get the engine block and the cylinder head cleaned up the best you can. Put 2 bolts here, and then make sure you put the gasket the correct way. Tighten up the 4 bolts with a 10mm socket. Right now we're just going to screw them to where they start to tighten. But we're not going to tighten them up yet. We got to get them all to the same place, because we have to tighten them incrementally in a crisscross pattern. Just turn it a little bit, then come down to the bottom one on the right side, tighten it a little bit. Come to the bottom left one, tighten it a little bit. Come to the top right one, tighten it a little bit. Then start over again, top left, tighten, bottom right, tighten, bottom left, tighten, upper right, tighten, and just repeat this until the bolts are snug. Don't do it too tight because it's aluminum and you'll strip it. You need a 5/16 socket to open the valve cover. Take the 5/16 and remove the control arms. The longer one goes on the top. Insert the push rods very carefully. Now, slowly turn the flywheel to see if the push rods will come out. That one came out. You can hear it compressing. There goes the exhaust. Okay. Get it in a position where both of the rods are in, where it's not pushing on either one. Then reattach the control arms. Turn the flywheel and make sure that the valves are working properly. Just turn it and watch to make sure they get pushed open. There's exhaust intake. Okay, when it looks like the valves are working okay, put the valve cover back on. The 3 little screws back on for the valve cover. Then you can see my other video that I made working on the same lawnmower, how to put the rest of it back together, which is pretty simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.